Hey YouTube, still out cleaning the garage. I guess sometimes you gotta make a mess in order to get unmessed. There's a bunch of my boards. Those are two big totes clear full. There's another tote over here. This is what I found so far. It's just like Christmas time. Those are all transformers. It's a big tote of transformers. There's more copper bearing motors. These I'll be able to take as copper bearing. I'll put those over there. There's some copper motor windings. Some more copper I gotta take apart. Some more copper bearing motors. Computer fans. I got lots of those. Probably go as copper bearing motors. There's more copper motors. Some big motors here. That's a tote that goes all the way back in there, and it's filled with motors. Another tote box I gotta go through, and look at that. I have enough plugs to do plug soup for everybody that's subscribed to my channel. So, wannabe scrapper. I've plugged up the floor a little bit, but I guess, like I said, you're gonna make a mess in order to clean up. So, some aluminum, gonna clean up. Some more hard drives I found. Some more Christmas lights. Here's my old sheet. There's some more RAM and stuff in there. But yeah, I gotta go through these boards and sorting them. I just been pulling them out of things. I'll sort them later. And my big pile of wire, which be the last thing I get to sort. But I'm trying to sort stuff so that those copper bearing motors, I'll get so much a pound. I'm not quite sure how much a pound right now, but I will let you know. It's a new category that my yard has. So. But yeah, all those I'm pretty sure I can take as copper bearing motors. And then these are just yokes and everything from TVs that I gotta do. Stainless steel. But the big thing is all those transformers. There's a lot of little ones that I probably won't, that I'll just ship out and get so much a pound for. Over here, you can see over there, there's some VCRs and DVD players and stuff. But every tote is filled with something. Every box is filled with stuff. That barrel is filled with boards. This barrel is filled with stuff. That barrel over there is filled with more stuff. So I still got a lot of sorting to do. There's some rads. There's some good copper. But anyway, hope everybody's having a good Tuesday. Snow has actually melted off the roof of the house. So we're coming. Started my wire again after I took the stuff. But anyway, like, subscribe, and share. Help if I could talk. And smash that thumbs up button. And I'll see you in the next one. And I got more stuff here too. Yeah, we're coming. We're gaining, I think. All right, see you all later.